Welcome to the question and answer session of English language teaching. Let's start. The first question is, when did English become the language of the subcontinent? The answer is 19th century. Question number 2. In learning a language, what is the important element after sound system? The answer is vocabulary. Question number 3. Latin was taught through the dash method in early times. The answer is grammar translation method. Question number 4. In which method the given condition takes place? Teacher tells a story about animals. Children make animal noises every time they hear the name of the animals. The answer is total physical response. Question number 5. Which method places emphasis on the social and situational context of communication? The answer is communicative language teaching or CLT. Question number 6. There is a heavy dependence on imitating language models and memorization of dialogues in dash method. The answer is audiolingual method. Question number 7. In dash method, little or no attention is given to pronunciation. The answer is grammar translation method. Question number 8. The main activities in this method are memorization of dialogues, question and answer practice, substitution drills, and various forms of guided speaking and writing practice. Name the method. The answer is audiolingual method. Question number 9. Learners are engaged in meaningful and authentic language use in dash method. The answer is communicative language teaching. Question number 10. Name the method that suits the given situation. This method sees the students as a whole person, not as organisms. The answer is Community Language Learning or CLL. Question number 11. State whether true or false. Vocabulary, collocations and idioms are important in lexical approach method. Of course, it is true. It is in the lexical approach method, vocabulary and idioms are important. Question number 12. Which method uses lots of drills? The answer is audiolingual method. Question number 13. Identify the method from the following context. Learning is not an individual, private activity but a social one that depends upon interaction with others. The answer is communicative language teaching. Question number 14. Language learning is a process of habit formation in this method. The more often something is repeated, the stronger the habit and greater the learning. This is an important feature in dash method. The answer is audiolingual method. Question number 15. Dash method contains a fundamental process of learning a foreign language which enables the learners to read literature written in it. The answer is grammar translation method. Question number 16. Which method make use of some techniques like map drawing, dictation, fill in the blank exercise or paragraph writing? The answer is direct method. Question number 17. A great deal of attention is given to students' feelings in dash method. The answer is Suggestopedia. Question number 18. Who did state that English is the means of communication between the East and the West? The answer is Ayub Khan. Question number 19. The earliest method of learning a second language is dash. The answer is grammar translation method. Question number 20. Name the method which came as a reaction against grammar translation method. The answer is direct method. Question number 21. List out the limitations of direct method. First, it ignores the study of grammar and neglect the reading and writing skills. Question number 22. Mother tongue is not encouraged in dash method. The answer is direct method. Question number 23. Words are like bottles that contain ideas as bottle contain medicines is said by dash. H. Dippy. Question number 24. Who made the distinction between English as a foreign language and as a second language? Albert H. Marquardt. Question number 25. CALL stands for dash. The answer is Computer Assisted Language Learning. Thank you for watching.